Hey friends, welcome back to Cash and Coffee. Today, I'm sharing something most traders don't want to admit, the mistakes I made on Binance. From security blunders to trading FOMO, I've been there. This video will walk you through each of those painful lessons so you don't have to repeat them. Let's get honest, learn, and get better together. The first and most dangerous mistake, I didn't enable 2FA right away. I thought my password was strong enough. It wasn't. One day, I got a login alert from a device I didn't recognize. Luckily, Binance's withdrawal whitelist saved me. Lesson learned, enable Google Authenticator or a hardware key immediately. Mistake number 2, FOMO buying. I jumped into coins during a hype run thinking it was going to the moon. Spoiler, it didn't. I bought the top and held the bag for months. Now I use limit orders and wait for retracements. Did you know you can reduce trading fees on Binance just by using BNB? I didn't. I made dozens of trades and overpaid in fees. It adds up, especially if you're scalping. Always enable BNB fee discounts and understand maker-taker fees. Small mistake, big cost over time. When I joined Binance, I just jumped in. Margin trading, launchpad, P2P. I clicked everything without knowing what they were. Bad move. Binance is powerful but complex. Take time to learn the tabs. Use Binance Academy. Test with small amounts first. I followed a popular YouTuber's hidden gem pick. It pumped, then dumped 90%. I didn't DYR. Do your own research. Influencers aren't accountable for your losses. Use them as a starting point, not your decision maker. I had a token that tripled in price. I held it, hoping for more. Then the market corrected, and I was back near break even. Now I follow this rule. Always take some profits on the way up. Partial exits are powerful. Another hard lesson, not all coins on Binance are safe bets. Just because it's listed doesn't mean it's legit. Some low-cap coins are there for hype, not value. Read white papers, check tokenomics. Avoid projects with zero utility or anonymous teams. I once went 100% into a single altcoin I believed in. Then bad news hit the project, and my portfolio dropped 60% overnight. Diversification is key. Even if you love a coin, don't marry it. Spread your risk. Just hold, work, until it doesn't. I held coins through bear markets thinking they'd bounce back quickly. Months passed, then years. Now I use a plan with entry and exit points. Set your price targets and stick to them. Binance gives you tools to stay safe, but most people ignore them. I did too. Now I've enabled everything. Withdrawal whitelist, anti-phishing code, and device authorization. Think like a hacker. Lock it all down. Don't wait until it's too late. After all those mistakes, here's what I do differently now. Dollar cost averaging. Long-term, hold on blue chips. Regular profit taking, cold wallet storage for large amounts. Learning every week. Binance is a great tool, but only if you use it wisely. If you've made some of these mistakes too, don't feel bad. The best traders aren't perfect, just persistent. Let your mistakes teach you, not defeat you. If this helped you avoid even one mistake, hit that like button. Subscribe to Cash and Coffee for real, no BS crypto content every week. Drop a comment and let me know what your biggest Binance mistake was. Stay safe out there and keep learning. Like this video if it saved you from a Binance blunder. Subscribe for weekly crypto and finance tips. Comment your biggest mistake or question below. Join our email list at yoursite.com for free trading resources.